Does Daddy love you?
Sorry, honey. Daddy was a weak man.
This is your fault. Your fault you did this.
Hey! I don't think anyone could get over seeing something like that.
Kids aren't built to see their parents kill themselves.
When are you gonna tell me what it is?
It's gonna be a day you'll never forget.
Hey, you remember when we first met? We must be pretty good for each other, huh?
Jim killed himself.
He wasn't very good for us.
I love him.
Well, we know what that does to people, don't we?
I don't want to talk about mommy!
That's where they live, those demons. We need to kill it. The two of us. Together.
You need help, honey.
But Gracie, we always had so much fun.
Oh, Mama, why?
He made me do it.
He made me do it!
That's Mama's girl.
Baron Zemo is the main villain in Captain America's Civil War. For all the details, click on More News.